Morning, everybody. The market is about to start open now, and yesterday was a great day. We made around 400 points, but we could not go into live session. So kindly bear with us. For those who are joining newly, kindly like and subscribe so that you will not miss out on other videos. We are waiting for the market to open now. Market is opened, gap up, and big zero zone is there, and there is one big order in the at the top. The market is trading very beautifully and it is going up, breaking multi-day highs, and there are big numbers. There is also what you say, reloading and fresh orders, fresh buy orders are coming in. However, there are no zero orders in between, so we will wait for a little bit consolidation. Look at the orders here at the top. Look at the orders here. There is only no orders here. This is a reloading order, and we are waiting for some more time. We will shift into 1 minute candle to see what is happening in the 1 minute candle. The market has opened with a big green bar. First minute candle is big green bar, extraordinarily big, and there are big orders also coming in. This is the daily chart. We are seeing fresh smart buyers coming in. We cannot see smart buyers on a regular basis, so the market will keep a little bit of downside sometimes, but this is a fresh upside. Whoever has bought at the opening tick would have made 300 points now, from 52,900 to 53,200. However, we have not entered the trade. We will see what is happening in the second minute, third minute, fourth minute, and then we will take a position. We are expecting the market to reverse a little bit. Until where it will reverse is the point, because there are zero zones here, continuous zero zones here. If the market comes till here, it will, and the next tick will be 53,000. So we will see, we will wait and see. This is the power of order flow. You can see what is happening inside the candle. I will go to the 1 minute candle now, just for demonstration purposes. This is the 1 minute candle. On the left side, what you see, plain candles, and there is no big follow through. In the second candle, we are expecting a move little bit downside. I am expecting it to come little down and then reverse, at least till here. We will see where the 5 minute candle will close. Now I will shift to the 5 minutes. This is a 5 minute candle. We will see on the 1 minute chart. See the first 1 minute, the cart was 1846, and it was pure long unwinding or something, but there are fresh buy orders here. That is why the market went up, and there is a reloading order of 140 here. Now we will shift to the 5 minutes candle in this order flow. As you can see fresh green orders, buy orders. The sell orders were very less. This is a reloading order. This is the reloading order. So we are expecting little upside. And however, I want because it is going in a straight line, it is very bullish, and I want to see some kind of reversal and fresh big orders like 400 or 300 or something like that. Yesterday and today our opening moves are very big. We will see from here where the market will try to consolidate. The blue line is the support line. Now the support line will be shifted to this point. This will act as a support, and the resistance is broken, and the market is in no way to stop. It is still going up. It is going up with big moves, but not very big orders. Now the cart is towards favoring the buy side. Still we have not taken any trade. We will see whether to take a trade on the downside or something. Bank Nifty has gone up 500 points. The first tick gave 300 points. This is Bank Nifty spot. Flat Bank Nifty futures. This Bank Nifty futures 599 points. Now we will see on taking a trade on the downside, if there is a trade on the downside. Because the market has already gone 600 points, we are looking for some little downside. The market will not go 1000 points in a straight line. So we will see what is happening on the candlestick charts. This is a 5-minute candle. For your clarity, I am making it a little big. This is the power of order flow. Now you can keep an eye on the cart. The cart is, this is not a pure buying cart. This is the buying cart of 999.89, and there is a little bit tug of war. Now we will try to take one position on the downside, and if it goes below this 177, if it trades and closes below this point, we will take one trade on the downside. See, the market is trying to reverse. and we will see the, now we will take a position for the downside. Now we have entered 53,500 put, 53,500 put. We have entered with a small position with a stop loss of 53,340 on the futures. This is the stop loss, and we have entered a trade here. We are not in the money, we are in the money, and if it goes above this line, this will be the stop loss on the futures. And on the options, we should open the option chart and check what is happening on the options chart. See the difference. The market went up very well, and now there is a trap being set for the buyers. $53,500 put is what we are concentrating. This is 53,500 put. Our entry point, we will check and let you know where is the entry point. The market is trying to reverse, but not very strong. But there are fresh sell orders coming in. As you can see, the COT ratio is in favor of sellers, but not very strong. We have entered the position at 1 second. Now we had entered a position on the short side, so we are exiting that position with a loss of 10 points. We took a position somewhere here, and now we have exited the trade with a loss of 10 points. Now market is again reversing with a strong trend. Now this is a pure indication of going long. There was some profit booking in the second 5-minute candle. Though now the market is trending in this direction. 52,600 will be the next target, and the stop loss will be 52,200. Now we will trade on the futures instead of the options. Now I have taken small 2 lots in futures, and when I say we can, you don't have to follow that and buy it. I am telling you to go for paper trading instead of real trading. Until you learn, you have to do paper trading so that you are safe. There is a lot of sell orders, fresh sell orders also coming in, and there are equal buy orders. So there is not a much imbalance here. So based on this candle, we will decide whether to go long or short. Although we have taken 2 future positions, Bank Nifty futures for long side, and this will be the stop loss, and the target will be 53,600. Although not the round figure, we will exit at 590 or something, because there will be a sort of resistance. Looking at the cart and cart ratio and delta, we will exit the trade. So if I say I'm going long, not necessary, I have to stay long all the day, and I can even exit the position whenever I want. I mean, when I'm in profit. The market is ready to consolidate at that point. Now the trend is reversing towards the sell side. That is why I took futures instead of options. Options, there will be big volatility and price action movement. So instead of making loss, I took futures, only 2 lots, and based on that, I will trade. I am still holding for the upside. However, the stop loss will be now here. I have taken trade for the upside, so the stop loss will be here because the market is not showing any clear direction. So trading is slightly difficult today, even for the sellers. Some sellers would have been trapped at the top, at the bottom, in the bot. Still holding my position because there is a tug of war here between the buyers and the sellers. I am trading on the upside. We have to position ourselves for big trades. That is the way I trade. So you can trade your way, but this is only for the stream is only for educational purposes. I am expecting the market to go upside because if it was about to fall, it should have fallen more than less than 53,200 on the futures, but it has not fallen. It is finding it difficult to fall, and there is no big follow through for the sellers. Now the cart is favoring the buyers, and I am expecting the market, this candle to end in green, the current fourth candle, and there are big numbers in the railroading side. market does not go up or down in another 5 minutes, it will go into a consolidation mode for some time. But some buyers are trapped here already. This 325 is the reloading order. This one. And the point of control of this particular candle. With that indication, the buyers are selling, trying to control the market. This is not a very decisive candle. The current candle, 940 candle, is not a very decisive candle for the upside. But I have already positioned myself on the upside, for the upside. So I will wait and see what will happen in this candle. There are new buy orders coming in. So my trade is in profit. Futures 2 lots is in profit. Today I will be trading in futures and options both when there is an opportunity. So trade only when there is an opportunity and simply don't jump into a trade. Trading on plain candlesticks, what you see on the left side of the chart, this one is pure speculation. It might be, speculation might not be 100% correct, or even it is like it might go up or down. You don't know why it is going up, why it is coming down. Because as you saw in the first candle, there was a lot of zero zones and no zero orders, and yesterday's positions were covered. Day's high will be broken very soon. The delta candle is very big now, around 623 from 300. See what you see, the third candle, fourth candle is red in the plain chart. But here the delta candle is green. This is an indication that the market will go up. And what happened in the next candle? We got 600 card and 15 card ratio. The seller's card is only 31, buyer's card is 650. It's clearly an indication that we can buy, and I am not buying now. I bought it around 10 minutes back. The market is sure to break today's high because look at the zero zones here. Once it crosses this point, it should be soon breaking the day's high. The cart is still on the buy side, 650. Now a fresh candle is appearing. There is no big move, or if the candle does not trade higher low than the previous candle, I will exit the trade and the market might consolidate. So I will wait for some big movements and big numbers. It has to go above the previous day, previous 5-minute candle. If the market breaks today's high, it is going to take out 53,450. Next target will be 56,650. So we want huge momentum and the cart is supporting the buyers, but not in a big way. So we want smart money to come in, and I have positioned my trade with futures with two lots, and I have been trading on the upside. Yes, there is zero zone coming in. Now I'm expecting the market to break the day's high. ಹಲೋ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ ಆಫೀಸಲ್ಲೇ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲ್ ವೈನ್ಸ್ ಐತಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದು MRP ಅದ್ರ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ರೋಡ್ ಸರ್. ಹಾಂ ಅದ್ರ ಪಕ್ಕದ ರೋಡು ಹೋಲ್ಸೇಲ್. ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನೀವು ಬರ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಚಿಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಡೋರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ. ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್ ಅಂತ, ಅದು ಟೈಪಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರು. ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಗ್ರಾಮೀಣ ಏನೋ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫೋಟೋ ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಅದು ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಆಯ್ತು ಸರ್, ಓಕೆ. ಆಯ್ತು ಆಯ್ತು, ಓಕೆ. Market is trending down. Sorry for the disturbance. I had a phone call. Now the cart is supporting the sellers. My stop loss has been hit and I have exited my trade at 53,200. The futures thing. In the meantime, I will try to explain what happened yesterday and how the movement was. This is what happened yesterday and it was trending upwards. And we made a big trade taking position here. See, now the zero zones have come in play and the 599 today's order. This is today's chart. You can see yesterday's chart, it is like this pattern, N pattern, and it started trending. And today, see, you can see this 549 chart, and later the one more order is there at 287, and this all these orders will be covered on the downside soon, because the market has decisively returned in favor of. See, all the green orders have been executed. All the red orders also are executed, but the market is trending down, and we will see it is trading near the zero zone. Now you can see this is the daily chart, and you can see how the market will fall. From here, you can see how the market will fall if there are no fresh buy orders or sell orders. There is some absorption happening and some reloading happening here. 610 orders have been punched in, and the market is trying to stay above this line. If it breaks this point, it should come to this level. This is the daily chart, and this is not 5 minutes chart. This is the 5 minutes chart. The market is trying to, the buyers are selling, trying to keep it above this order. You can see 610 orders on the reloading side. So they want the market to go up rather than coming down. We will see if it breaks this. It might come till this level and even days low, because there are no orders as such here. Zero zone, zero zone, zero zone. Only 79. Some fresh buying here. 7900. This is covering order and this is reloading order. So now you can see clearly what is happening in the market. Market will go in its own fashion and we have to follow the trend. We will see what will happen in this candle, and then we will see what will be favored. As I told you, this is a reloading order and the market is trying to stay above this point. We should have patience while trading in options and futures, especially. Futures and options requires patience. When the market is doing such type of movement, we have to wait. Now the zone is it has to break out of the consolidation point. It has to break out of this point. Only then there will be a trade on the upside or downside. After it breaks this point, it has to break this point to go further downside. However, we will see, as I told you, these are zero zones. The market is finding it difficult to go up because there are no enough strong orders to push it up, although this one order has kept the market up. The delta is the most important thing, and the cumulative delta is also important. We will teach about all these things in our training session. The market, and now there is no trade in it is trading in a no trade zone. It has to break out of consolidation. Only then I will be taking a trade on any side. Don't look at the profit, you look at the charts. Analyze the charts well, learn the movements, and then we can take a trade. There is no hurry. Market is not going to end today. It will be there all the life. So we can keep it simple and with patience. There is one more reloading order at 53,180, and that is the point of control for this particular candle. Now there are a lot of buy orders coming in, but they are very small. it has to break out of the consolidation point. Just because there is a small candle of green candle, we are not going to take any trade. Although this is supporting, and from 38 it has gone to 300, but we are still not going to take a trade because the market is trying to consolidate. We will see where this candle ends. It has to end above this candle and to form a bullish pattern. So we have to be very careful. Just because there is a spike or a small order burst, you should not be trading. See here, the candle is green. This is a clear example. The plain candle is green, but the delta candle is red. This is the secret of order flow. So the delta candle is telling the delta is on the sell side and not on the buy side. So we have to wait for confirmation of COT, for confirmation of delta, confirmation of cumulative delta, and then only take a trade. The next candle is also on the selling side, so we are not taking any trade until the consolidation is finished and it has to break out of the triangle which I have marked on the left side of the candle. Have patience, the market will try to frustrate you and then give a big move. So we have to be very careful with the market. So anybody who has taken trade after the first candle would have lost money, or they would have made small gains, very small gains, because the market is not giving any correct direction. So market has to break out of the consolidation and it has to break this point and then this point. Only then we will initiate a trade. So don't trade just because there is a spike or some small liquidity. Liquidity is only to trap people and they trap the retailers and it will reverse. See, this candle gave a big move on the downside and again it is trying to reverse. So we will hold with patience. We will see at the cart. See, this is a zero zone. We should be very careful about this zone. If it crosses this point, it will fall like a stone for another 100 points. So we should wait with patience and simply do not take a trade because there is one spike.